And now the Enforcement Directorate also has found multiple WhatsApp chats where Riya and others have discussed drugs. A national-level snooker and billiards player, Rishabh Thakkar, is also under the scanner for dealing in narcotic drugs. He was grilled by the Enforcement Directorate for 8 hours on Tuesday to ascertain if Riya Chakraborty bought any contrabands from him. Thakkar has told Enforcement Directorate officials that he knew Riya personally through common friends but has never supplied any drug to Riya. All these chats took place on a WhatsApp group where it was created for a wedding function trip to Udaipur, and all, including Riya Chakraborty and Rishabh Thakkar, were a part of this group, including Kunal Jani as well. Kunal Jani is a Mumbai suburb-based hotelier from Bandra who is a director in a hotel alongside actress Shilpa Shetty's husband Raj Kundra. So Raj Kundra and this man Kunal Jani are partners. Jani was questioned on Monday by the Enforcement Directorate. You've got Goa-based hotelier Gaurav Arya, who was also quizzed by the Enforcement Directorate for the past 2 days. The Enforcement Directorate has scanned and cloned Gaurav Arya's phone for clues regarding any communication related to narcotic drugs with others as well. Munish is now joining us live for the very latest. Munish, these are the obvious names that we are throwing to our viewers, which of course we've got the Narcotics Control Bureau, the Enforcement Directorate, they're under the scanner of these probe agencies as well. But what is interesting here, Munish, is that through the probing of these key people that we're talking about, there could perhaps be a larger drug nexus in Mumbai that the NCB and ED would be able to unearth. Munish, what are you picking up?
Very true, Chaiti, and what NCB is looking at is a big drug cartel in Bollywood, the Bollywood nexus with the drug cartel, and that is why all these names are being investigated by the Narcotics Control Bureau. But also we need to understand is that the entire probe started in death case of Sushant Singh Rajput, but now the probe is diverted into the drug angle. As of now, we have been given to understand is that there are many Bollywood personalities who are under scanner of NCB, and they have started arresting the drug peddlers who were supplying and who are suspected to be supplying drugs to Bollywood personalities, because in most of the cases what NCB sources have told me that their drivers or someone working for them goes to pick these drugs. But you took some interesting name, for example, Kunal Jani. Kunal Jani is very close friend of many Bollywood personalities. He has almost 7 companies and he has a political links also. He also has some Bollywood links. But whether he was connected to this drug cartel or not, that is still to be seen. Apart from that, Gaurav Arya is again an hotelier. He is being quizzed by the Enforcement Directorate. NCB is yet to be quizzed. But whether he was dealing in drugs or not, that is yet to be seen. Apart from that, there are at least 2 to 3 drug peddlers who have been arrested by the Narcotics Control Bureau. NCB claims that they have found a direct connection between these drug peddlers and Shouvik Chakraborty, brother of Riya Chakraborty. But whether it can be connected with the death case of Sushant Singh Rajput or not, that will be very interesting to find out. As far as CBI is concerned, they claim that when they questioned Riya Chakraborty, she said that she has never consumed drug. All the chats are regarding Sushant Singh Rajput. But what CBI sources have told me that they are not satisfied with the explanation given by Riya Chakraborty, because these chats have taken place from her WhatsApp number and her mobile phone. So they are still looking for some clues which they can connect the dots between Riya Chakraborty, Shouvik Chakraborty and the drug peddlers, and finally they will try to connect these dots with death of late actor Sushant Singh Rajput.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.